Hello friends, welcome to Smile Tuition Hub. Myself Aspak Soneji. I am going to teach you maths in very easy way from now on. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos, comment your valuable reviews and don't forget to share with your friends. We will start by chapter number 1, real numbers. So get ready for easy mathematics. Chapter number 1, real numbers. In this chapter, most important topics are LCM and HCF, which will be very helpful to understand exercise 1.1 and 1.2. In this video, we will clear concept regarding HCF, it means highest common factor, and we will understand LCM in next video. Friends, basic concepts must be cleared to understand HCF. In this video, we will understand basic concept regarding HCF, highest common factor. Here you can see the highest common factor HCF is made up of three words. Number 1 factor, number 2 common factor and number 3 highest common factor. Number 1 factor, its definition says a number by which given number is exactly divisible. It means when we divide any number, the remainder is 0. To understand this, let's take a random number 24. The factors of 24 would be 24 is equals to 24 into 1, 12 into 2, 8 into 3 and 6 into 4. Here 24 is exactly divisible by numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Hence, these numbers are the factors of 24. Let's take another number 40. So, 40 is equals to 40 into 1, 20 into 2, 10 into 4 and 8 into 5. From this, we can say that 40 is exactly divisible by numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Hence, these numbers are the factors of 40. Number 2 is common factor. What it says? Common factors are the factors common in 2 or more integers. It can be 2 integers or more than 2 integers. It depends on the given numbers. We have just found the factors of 24 and 40. The factors of 24 are written on your screen, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24, as well as the factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. We just found earlier. So the common factors of 24 and 40, that means the common in both 24 and 40, the factors of 24 and 40, the common numbers is 1. Another number is, you can see on your screen, that is 2. There is also a number which is in common, you can see that is 4. And the last number common in both the integers is 8. So we can say that the common factors of 24 and 40 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now, highest common factor HCF. It means the greatest factor among common factors of 2 or more integers. It is also known as greatest common divisor. In short, we can say it GCD. We have just found the common factors of 24 and 40, which are written on your screen, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now we have to decide which number is the greatest among these factors. You can see 8 is the highest number. So we can say that 8 is the highest common factor. So HCF of 40R is equals to 8. We have cleared basic concepts of HCF. There are two methods to find HCF in standard 10. Number one is fundamental theorem of arithmetic, which is also known as prime factorization method. Second is Euclid's division algorithm. We will understand HCF by prime factorization method. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Its definition says any integer greater than 1 is either a prime number or can be written as a unique product of prime numbers. Product means in the multiplication form. Multiplication of prime numbers. We have understand the concept finding the factors. Now we will find the prime factors of any integer. For this we must have prime numbers. Prime numbers from 1 to 100 are written on your screen. You can pause this video, and these numbers will be helpful to find prime factors of any integer. Let's find the prime factors of 24. For this we have to write 24 in a box. We are going to show this number in factor tree. So we will divide 24 by 2. By dividing 24 by 2, you know that we will get 12 as quotient. So we will write 12 in the right side box and 2 on left side box. Now the same procedure have to be done on number 12. So we will divide 12 by 2. So we will get 6 as quotient. So we will write 6 on right side box and 2 on left side box. Again the same procedure will be done on 6. 6 by 2. So you know that we will get 3 as quotient. So we will write 3 on the right side box and 2 on left side box. So we can write 24 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equals to 2 raised to 3 into 3. Same way we can find the prime factors of 40. So we will write 40 in a box, showing it in factor tree. You know very well we will get 20 as quotient. So we 20 on right side box, 2 on left side box. Again the same procedure, 10 right side box, 2 on left side box. Again the same procedure, 5 right side box and 2 on left side. So we can write 40 is equals to 2 raised to 3 into 5. We found the prime factors of 24 and 40 by prime factorization method. Now we can find HCF easily using these prime factors. We found that 24 is equals to 2 raised to 3 into 3 and 40 is equals to 2 raised to 3 into 5. Now we have to decide which is the highest common factor. So for this we will take the common factors, that is 2 raised to 3 is common and the minimum power. So we can write HCF of 24 and 40 is equals to 2 raised to 3 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 8. Now we are ready to solve exercise 1.2. Question is written on your screen. We will express 140 as product of its prime factors. We learnt earlier we will write 140 in a box. We will divide 140 by 2. So we get 70 as quotient. So 70 on right side box, 2 on left side box. Again the same procedure, we will get 35 as quotient. So we will write 35 on right side box and 2 on left side box. Again the same procedure. So we can see 35 is not divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 5. So we can write 7 on right side box and 5 on left side box. Hence we can write 140 as 140 is equals to 2 into 2 into 7 into 5 is equals to 2 square into 7 into 5. Stay connected with us for more beautiful videos of mathematics. Don't forget to comment and support us by sharing this video. Thank you very much.